Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a 99 Nights in the Forest script for Roblox. So this works on all devices. So as you can see, we got the whole script right here. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So let's get straight into the video. So this is super cool, guys. As you can see, we got all the settings. So I'm going to show you how to download it. So what we need to do is go to the website scriptsking.com. So let me just type it in right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in. So once you're on this site, guys, go ahead and find it. So you're going to see a lot of information here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and select it. So as you can see, we got all the info right here. So I'm going to press browse and then look for 99 nights. Press on it, and now we need to enter our Roblox user ID. So to find our Roblox user ID, we're going to copy in the player URL just the part that has the user ID, guys. So go ahead and copy that. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and back to the website and paste that in. So that's all we got to do, guys. So let me just go ahead and do that. And now I'm going to press continue. And now it's going to make sure that we are a real player. And then after that, we just need to go ahead and ask if we have Delta Executor and then press continue, guys. So the final step is the verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, it shouldn't take that long. So it's loading up right here. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and press verify now. And it's going to bring me to the list of apps, and all I have to do is download 2 of these apps, and then I will have the 99 Nights in the Forest script on my device. So just make sure you download 2 of them, guys, and you're going to be all set. So I don't really care what you do, guys, but just do 2 of them. So I'm going to do Lumo VPN. So it's going to take me to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download it. So anyway, guys, while this is downloading, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go back onto the list. I'm just going to download one more. So for me, I'm going to do Travel Town. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you can see. So now I'm going to go to the home screen, wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the VPN's done, so I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running it right here. So yeah, super simple. So let me just do that, and now I'm going to go to the home screen and do the other one, which is Travel Town. So this one's a game. So I just gotta run it right here, as you can see. So I'm just doing that. Alright, so let me just go ahead and do this right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, if you guys want to get the 99 Nights in the Forest script, you've got to try this out, guys. It actually works. So yeah, super cool. So let me just go ahead and run this for a little bit more here, as you can see. So yeah, this is super cool. Just gonna run this right here, as you can see. Alright, so just gonna do that. Should be all set. So I'm just gonna run this for a little bit more here, as you can see. So yeah, just run this. Okay, so once you're done, guys, you should have the 99 Nights in the Forest script on your device. So be sure to try us out. I'm gonna see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works, you guys, peace out.